Hi everyone, it's time for a safety tip from our favorite tail wagging watchdog, Savvy. Hi, are you ready? She is ready. She is ready. She is on fire today. All right, Sav, what did you get for us? Let's see here. What is that? Does that look like a nail? Oh my goodness.
Yeah. You know, this happens.
Really?
When old windows stop working, people decide to nail them shut. It sounds like a great idea to have the windows secure, but what happens if you need to get out of your house in the case of a fire or something? That's a real no-no.
Yeah.
So that's time for a replacement.
That definitely deserves a help.
But just one.
Just one.
Yes. Don't
right.
nail your windows shut. Not a good idea.
All right, got it. No nailing of the window shut. Well, thank you, Savvy. That was a very good safety video. We appreciate that. Are you looking at me? No, she's got something else on her mind.
She wants to say goodbye to her friends.
She wants to say goodbye. All right, well, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Sav, look that way. Look that way.